Becoming a parent is just something you can't really describe.
Once you have a baby, you're kind of an official grown-up. He's the funniest person I know who doesn't say a word.
The love that you can have for another person is insane.
Show them how you can dance.
Put some music on.
Alexa, play some music.
Sometimes you don't want to stop what you're doing to go turn on the oven. Alexa, ask Geneva to preheat the oven to 400 degrees.
I've set your oven to bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit.
It's kind of like having a personal assistant to do things for me when I don't want to necessarily do them myself. Alexa, ask Geneva to preheat water. You feel like every little moment is precious and you don't want to waste it doing a whole bunch of things in the kitchen.
That's for you. Oh.
Our best friends, Zach and Taryn, they actually live immediately next door to us.
Cheers!
Cheers! Whenever we first brought Cameron home, we relied on them a lot to say, how do we do this? How do we do that? And they've already been through it, so they could kind of help show us the ropes, tell us what worked for them, and just kind of be a support, you know, and that's what you need as a new parent.
Close it. Close it.
Close it. Yay!
All of the features that are on our appliances, you probably wouldn't think would add that much value to your life, but it's the little time that adds up that really adds value to your day.
Having a connected home, I mean, it buys you time. That's probably actually the biggest surprise, how fast time goes. Because somehow Cameron's already 14 months and it seems like he was just born like 2 weeks ago. It's unbelievable how fast everything goes.